Hi guys, you're welcome once again to iTech. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can see your Facebook password if you forgot it, okay, or how to recover your Facebook password. So without wasting much of your time, you just go to your phone settings, okay, then you scroll down to Google settings. So you just search for Google settings. This is it. Now after that, you go to let's wait for it. Okay, so after you see Google settings, you see manage your Google account. Okay, so you hit on that, manage on Google account, then you search here. Okay, you go to this side and you see security, so you hit on security. Okay, now when it opens like this, just scroll down. You just scroll down, and you'll be seeing your apps. Okay, so you see manage password. Okay, this one, you see password manager. This is what I'm talking about, password manager, and you click on that. Okay, so when you click on that, now at this point, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe and like this video. Let's continue. Okay, so you see that a whole lot of apps and website that I have created password on. So these are the various places that I have created a password. So as you can see, this is the Facebook. Okay, so I'm just looking for my Facebook password. So I will just go to paste Facebook. So you just click on Facebook, and then you have to unlock your phone. Okay, so you just unlock it, and then boom, as you can see, these are my Facebook password that I have saved. So you just click on this view the eye icon here to view your Facebook password that you have forgotten it. Guys, this is how you can see your Facebook password. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. See you. Bye bye.